Wendy with the LWYL program. So we're just going to start out here in the front, kind of take some pictures and talk with you a little bit about what's going on so that we can determine the best way we can help you out.
I'm going to go ahead and take some pictures. That's
sure.
Okay.
So, yeah, basically I want it painted, and then I would like my tree trimmed a little bit too.
Okay. We've got some more of the wood here that looks like it could be painted, kind of wood rotted and...
Yeah. Some of the board there, that crap.
Yeah,
Is this an active power line?
Yes.
It is, okay. Maybe if you can grab a photo of that. Okay, so this is kind of just the process of how we are. We're here at the property inspection. We work with volunteers, so we'll be trying to find someone to adopt the project that knows how to work on these types of things and definitely provide that assistance.
Yeah, I'm grateful. Right. Definitely grateful.
All right, anything else you can think of?
Okay.
You think you're good? All right. Okay, perfect. So thank you so much, Jan.